Welcome back to Mr. Weather Updates. First, we're going to have a look at the radar first to see what precipitation has been followed over the next 6 hours. You can see here there's a few bits of rain in Wales, bits of showers, and a little bit in the northeast as well. Otherwise, it's staying fairly dry with a few showery conditions, but it will be turning a lot sunnier, at least for tonight. We shouldn't expect too much clouds. We could have a clear night. If I put the clouds on, yeah, not too bad. Have a look at the temperatures. It's going to be a cold night. Temperatures will be falling down to just low single digits, judging by the cold colours towards midnight. Alright, so we have got a weather warning to have a look on for Sunday. In advance, I'm going to have a look at this one. It's a yellow warning for wind this time, and it is for, well, bits of Wales and bits of Cornwall as well, so southwest England. And you can see here, this will be from 9 AM on Sunday the 29th to the end of the day, so it's basically the entire day. So strong winds may cause disruption across southwest England and Wales on Sunday. So some coastal routes, seafronts and coastal communities may actually be impacted by spray or large waves, if both as well. Some delays to road, rail and air ferry transport is likely. Obviously bus and train services are probably going to be affected, delays with some journeys obviously taking longer, maybe short-term power loss. And high-sided vehicles, something a little bit more important, high-sided vehicles being exposed to routes and bridges lightly, so meaning trucks, they could be lifted off, which is quite dangerous. These will strengthen from west to east during Sunday, with gusts of 50 to 55 miles per hour in places. It will be stronger in the coasts or onto the hilly areas of Wales, so 60 miles per hour winds in exposed areas, and quite a lot there. This will be with some outbreaks of rain, with heavy at times, with some surface water and spray on the coast, but some may fairly windy when it gets to Sunday night. And if we have a look here, this time it is lightly and has a low impact, so this time it's a likely weather warning, so something to go for, but it has a low impact, so shouldn't be too bad. Here's the area, so southwest Wales and Wales, including Cardiff as well, and Plymouth in southwest England. So have a look at UKV. Again, today has been a little bit showery, but still has some sunny conditions. Will be clearing throughout the night, so will be quite nice. But then onto Saturday, will be a few showers in the west and some in Scotland as well. There's still some clear spells in London at a time, in the south at a time. On Sunday we have got a front waiting in to push in, so that's where the wind's going to pick up, so that's going to be at Wales. We have some heavy rain, there could even be a rain warning in force for Monday and that, and some more bands of rain for the northwest and the north, maybe pushing east at a time. On to October now. A bit cloudy, a few showers around, maybe some sunny intervals. And here is the outlook for October the 2nd. Oops. So have a look at the temperatures for tonight, see how low they're going to get. Well, we could see 0 Celsius in some hilly areas, as you can see there, so it's going to be a bitterly cold with a frost possible. And tomorrow it's not going to be it's quite cold out, actually. Just getting to low to mid-teens with it being quite scattered as well. So on to Sunday, again, low to mid-teens, 14 to 13 degrees. A little bit warmer on Monday, with 17 degrees in London possible, but still ranging to low teens in most areas. And doesn't get much better on Tuesday as well. Just mid-teens, mid to low teens. Probably getting towards the average now for October, if not a little bit below average. Now, really quickly, we'll have a look at the wind gusts to see how strong the winds are going to get on for the weather warning area. You can see here, 65 is possible in wind gusts, so that is a lot, but that is on for the other part of Wales. But you can see here, still could get quite bad. As you can see, judging from that photo, still could see an isolated 60, as you can see there. Just going to put that as a thumbnail. So yeah, watch out in the winds. So GFS, we can see what's going to be going on for the next few days. You can see here, we are in an area of cold air, and an area of high pressure, just a little bit for Sunday, but we still have a little bit of tight ice bars there, as you can see there. So that tight ice bar area, that blocking low, causing that heavy winds, but it won't last very long. And then on to October, on to the next week, we can see a blocking low with some tight ice bars coming in. That might actually, it's trying to push in, but it's dominated by an area of highish pressure, but still might change a bit changeable. You can see it's still lingering about. We'll have to see what happens there. Still looking a bit changeable though, but we'll as you can see, showers are possible. It is hard to predict when it's like, in that still area for now. So thank you.